respect that grind every day. You try to take over the world every day. Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, my name is Sharice and welcome to Reese DIY. I wanted to do a video that I've been meaning to do for a while. A lot of you have reached out to me and asked me how to start a business, how to start your YouTube channel, and I'm just gonna go for it now to you. My suggestion is to get your end goal in mind. What is the end result you want to achieve with your YouTube channel or with your business? Figure out what that finish line looks like for you, and then get in the starting blocks and go. It may be that you want to make money. It may be that you want to help people. It may be both. It may be that you want to overcome a self-esteem issue or overcome fear. Now, I'm not saying that you need to invest all of your money and all of your time. You don't want to do that, especially starting out, because it's just a recipe for disaster. There are going to have to be some sacrifices to make. Don't sacrifice paying your bills, and don't sacrifice time with your family. You want to make sure that those things are taken care of, that you've got that on lock. But you may have to sacrifice that extra cheeseburger or that, I don't know, watching Power, some TV shows. You may have to cut. That's all it is. For those of you that want to start a tutu business, what is tulle? Like between $3 and $6 a roll. You got to get started somewhere. My very first tutu that I started with one crochet top and some tulle, and I was like, I think I can do this, and that's how I started. And when I look back at the tutus I used to make, I'm like, oh, but I had to start somewhere. And one day I'll probably look back at the tutus that I make now and say, oh, because you continue on your race, you get better and better. The more you practice, the stronger you get. But you've got to start with what you have. You don't have to go out and invest a whole lot of money. If you don't have a sewing machine, before I had a sewing machine, I started with the needle and thread. There's always a way. There's baby steps to where you're trying to go, and those baby steps can fund the bigger dream, right? So my goal is not to sell tutus. I make tutus. I like making tutus, but that's not my end goal. But selling tutus right now is funding my bigger dream. So just get started. I mean, let's face it, tomorrow is not going to be a better day. You think you have time tomorrow, but we know you don't have time tomorrow, because tomorrow has its own issues, its own problems. Tomorrow you're going to have something else to do. If you have nothing else but a pen and a paper, start to write your dream down. What do you want it to look like? Start getting pricing for the items that you need for your business. What is it that you need for your business? Do you need a sewing machine? What is it that you need for your YouTube channel? Do you need a camera? You can honestly start your YouTube channel with your phone, like I'm filming with my phone right now in my car. One of my favorite quotes comes from a 90s cartoon, and I still quote it to this day, like almost every day I say this. When somebody asks me what I'm going to do, I say I'm going to try to take over the world. And that comes from Pinky and the Brain. There were these two lab rats, and one was really smart. He was a genius, and the other one, I'm not sure, maybe he had been tested too many times. I'm not sure what his deal was. But at night, when the scientists or whoever would leave, they would start talking and they would try to escape. And every day, Pinky, which was the not so smart one, would say to Brain,
"Brain, what do you want to do tonight?"
The same thing we do every night, Pinky. Try to take over the world.
And that's what I try to do every single day. Try to take over the world through crafting, through parenting, through whatever. Every day. You gotta respect that grind. Every day. You try to take over the world every day? If you try to take over the world every day, one day you're gonna take over the world, right? Same thing with your business. If you try to work on your business every day, it's gonna work out. At some point, it's gonna work out, and you are gonna fail. You cannot start at the finish line. You can't. It doesn't matter how talented you are. It doesn't matter how gifted you are. You can't start at the finish line. You don't get to skip. Now, some people start out better than others, just off of talent. Some people, we have to learn along the way. It's only a failure, really, if you don't learn from it. If you keep doing the same thing over and over. But the failures that I've made, I've grown from them, or I learned how to do new things. I've learned new skills because I've messed up. And that's what you're going to do. You're going to fumble through, you're going to learn. You're going to learn about lighting on your YouTube channel because your lighting is bad. But just start. Take what you have today, whether it's a pen and a paper, whether it's 3 rolls of tulle, whatever it is that you have, start today. Start now. Start working on it. because there's no time like the present. It's not going to be better tomorrow. It's not going to be better next week. You're just going to be wasting time. It's your dream. You got to work on it. I'm going to continue to do these types of videos about business, but I just want to start here. Let's just get started. Let's get going. Let me know what you think in the comment section below, and I will talk to you in the next video. Bye.